Good evening, Mr. Barber. There's a lot of new immigration rules coming up. Can you please explain a bit more about it to us, sir?
Hi, good evening. This is very important to understand, what is changing in the next few days or in the next few months with regards to the immigration rules. So the first and foremost, from the 6th of February, the immigration health surcharge, which the government has been trying to increase, since last year, finally it will go up on the 6th of February from £624 per year to £1,035 per year.
Can you just repeat that for us one more time, sir?
Yeah, sure. So the immigration health surcharge is increasing from £624 to £1,035 per year for each applicant, meaning if you're applying for a 3-year skilled worker visa, so from the 6th of February you'll be paying for the 3 years at the rate of £1,035, and for 5 years it's going to be about £5,175 per applicant. So that's a lot of
that's
money.
That's a big increase.
It is, yes. Now, in relation to further updates, one has to understand and remember that from the 4th of April, the salary for a skilled worker or a sponsored skilled worker is going up from the 26,200 mark to 38,700 pound per year if you are bringing somebody from abroad to work for you. So this is the minimum salary you have to pay. And don't forget, if the job requirement is more in terms of the salary as per the Home Office's skill occupation code guidance, then you'll have to pay that salary. But this 38,700 per year salary is just a benchmark. That's the minimum salary that a sponsored person must be paid. Now, further, you need to understand that prior to this introduction of this new change, the Home Office has a shortage occupation list, the jobs which are shortage in this country, and the employers could have paid 20% less salary than the going rate. So the Home Office or the government has also announced that they will be abolishing it on the 4th of April. So remember, this 4th of April 2024 is a very important deadline. So if you've got application, you are planning to make an application, you should just do that before this date. In terms of the sponsored family visas, the government obviously last year, when we had the new Home Secretary took charge, he announced that the salary requirement for a British sponsor, British citizen to sponsor their family member would go up to 39,000, nearly 39,000, and there was a lot of backlash. Now it's confirmed that from the 11th of April this year, the salary requirement will be 29,000 per year. So
11th of April, sir.
It is 11th of April, and it will be 29,000 per year income for the sponsor in order to sponsor their non-British spouses. You will also need to remember that the government also announced in terms of the healthcare visas that there'll be the healthcare sponsored carers, they'll be restricted from bringing their dependents, and that is also happening. So if you've got plans to make any application for the UK in any category, whether sponsored skilled worker or bringing your spouse, dependent family members over, you better hurry up, and we are here to help. Our contact details are in the description link below, so feel free to get in touch and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.